When you start decorating your home for Christmas, you're not just placing ornaments or lights around your space. You're transforming the entire atmosphere into something warmer, more inviting, and emotionally meaningful. One of the biggest advantages of Christmas decorations is how they instantly influence your mood. A simple string of warm lights or a thoughtfully decorated tree can completely change how a room feels. It becomes cozier, more magical, and even nostalgic. And that emotional shift is powerful during a season centered around connection and joy. Another major benefit is how decorations create experiences rather than just visuals. When someone walks into a decorated home, they don't only see objects, they feel something. It could be comfort, excitement, or even a sense of belonging. This is especially valuable if you enjoy having guests, because your decorations set the tone before any conversation even begins. A well-prepared space communicates care, intention, and warmth without needing a single word. One of the best ways to approach decorating is to begin with a clear idea of the feeling you want to create. Instead of randomly placing items, think about the overall atmosphere. Maybe you want something calm and elegant, or warm and traditional, or playful and vibrant. Once you decide this, everything else becomes easier because your choices start to align naturally. This also helps prevent clutter and keeps your home looking balanced rather than overwhelming. The Christmas tree often becomes the centerpiece of the entire home, so it deserves special attention. When decorating it, think about harmony between colors and textures. Mixing matte ornaments with shiny ones, adding ribbons or garlands, and including personal items like handmade decorations can make the tree feel unique and meaningful. Lighting also plays a crucial role. Warm white lights tend to create a cozy, classic ambience, while colored lights bring energy and a more playful feeling. Beyond the tree, lighting throughout your home has a huge impact. Soft, warm lighting makes spaces feel inviting and comfortable. You can place string lights around windows, shelves, or staircases to create a gentle glow. Candles, whether real or LED, add another layer of warmth and intimacy. These small details help build an environment that feels relaxing and welcoming, especially during evenings. Another key idea is layering your decorations. Instead of focusing everything in one place, spread small touches throughout your home. A festive cushion on the sofa, a simple centerpiece on a table, or a wreath on a door can all contribute to a cohesive look. These details work together to create a sense of continuity, making your entire home feel connected to the season without needing excessive decoration. Incorporating natural elements can also elevate your decorations. Pine cones, branches, greenery, and dried fruits add texture and an organic touch that feels authentic and refreshing. These materials pair beautifully with traditional ornaments and can create a balance between rustic and elegant styles. They also bring a subtle connection to nature, which can make your home feel more grounded. If you're working with limited space, you can still achieve a beautiful result by being intentional. Smaller trees, wall decorations, and vertical arrangements can help maximize your space without making it feel crowded. Mirrors can reflect light and make rooms appear larger, while carefully chosen decorations can keep everything feeling clean and organized. Another important benefit of Christmas decorating is the opportunity for creativity. This is your chance to experiment with different styles and ideas. You don't have to follow strict rules. You can mix modern and traditional elements, try new color palettes, or even create your own decorations. Over time, this process helps you develop a personal style that makes your home feel truly yours. Decorating can also have a calming and therapeutic effect. Taking the time to arrange ornaments, adjust lighting, and create a beautiful space allows you to slow down and focus on something enjoyable. It becomes a break from daily stress and a way to reconnect with simple, meaningful activities. If you involve family members or loved ones, the experience becomes even more special. Decorating together turns the process into a shared memory rather than a task. Whether it's placing ornaments on the tree or deciding where decorations should go, these small moments often become traditions that people look forward to each year. From a practical perspective, it's helpful to choose decorations that are easy to store and reuse. Investing in quality pieces can save time and money over the years. You can keep a consistent base style and then add a few new elements each season to keep things fresh without starting from scratch. Focusing on key areas of your home can also make a big difference. Entryways, living rooms, and dining spaces tend to have the most impact because they're where people spend the most time. By prioritizing these areas, you can create a strong impression without needing to decorate every single corner. Engaging multiple senses can enhance the overall experience even more. Adding subtle scents like cinnamon, pine, or vanilla can make your home feel even more festive. Soft background music can complement the visual atmosphere and create a more immersive environment that people will remember. Another advantage of decorating is how it helps define spaces within your home. Creating a cozy corner around your tree or a festive dining area can naturally bring people together. These spaces become focal points where conversations happen and memories are made, making your home feel more functional and welcoming. Decorations also encourage social interaction. A festive home makes you more likely to invite others over, even for simple gatherings. This can strengthen relationships and create opportunities for meaningful connections during a time when people often seek warmth and companionship. There's also a cultural and personal aspect to decorating. Your choices can reflect traditions, values, and personal history. Whether it's specific colors, ornaments, or styles, these elements tell a story about who you are and what the season means to you. Over time, they become part of your identity and can even be passed down through generations. Adding contrast through different textures and materials can make your decorations more visually interesting. Combining soft fabrics with metallic or glass elements creates depth and richness. Even small details like ribbons or wooden accents can elevate the overall look and make your space feel more thoughtfully designed. Movement is another subtle detail that can bring your decorations to life. Hanging ornaments, flickering lights, or lightweight decorations that gently move can make your space feel more dynamic and engaging. These small touches can have a surprisingly big impact. Flexibility is also important. Using decorations that can be moved or repurposed allows you to refresh your space throughout the season. A centerpiece can be relocated, or decorations can be rearranged to create a slightly different look without needing new items. Exploring different color palettes can give your home a unique personality. While traditional colors are always beautiful, experimenting with neutrals, metallics, or even monochromatic themes can create a modern and sophisticated feel. Consistency is key, so once you choose a palette, try to maintain it across your decorations. Technology can make decorating easier and more versatile. Smart lighting systems allow you to control brightness and color, while timers ensure your lights turn on and off automatically. This not only adds convenience but also helps save energy. Sustainability is another factor worth considering. Using LED lights, reusing decorations, and creating DIY pieces from recycled materials can reduce waste and add a personal touch. This approach is both environmentally friendly and creatively rewarding. Your entryway plays a crucial role in setting the tone for your home. Even a simple decoration like a wreath or a few lights can make a strong first impression. It's the first thing people see, so it helps establish the atmosphere right away. Decorating your dining area can also enhance everyday moments. A simple arrangement with candles or a centerpiece can make meals feel more special without being impractical. It's about adding charm while maintaining functionality. Refreshing your decorations throughout the season can keep things interesting. You can start with a simple setup and gradually add more elements as Christmas approaches. This creates a sense of anticipation and keeps the experience engaging. Decorating also allows for reflection at the end of the year. It's a moment to slow down, think about what has passed, and prepare for what's ahead. Your home becomes a space that supports both celebration and introspection. Ultimately, the true value of Christmas decorations lies in the feeling they create. It's not about perfection or having the most elaborate setup. It's about creating a space that feels warm, welcoming, and meaningful. When you focus on that, your home becomes more than just decorated. It becomes a place where the spirit of the season is truly felt.